Well, the internet doesn't have to be to work or to for entertainment. It can be both. Hello everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, 2025, and we are here in Lagatita. Um, yeah, I stayed here last night. I'm not gonna say camping per se, but yeah, I stayed here last night, and oh, yeah, it was really nice because it wasn't as hot. So anyway, we are here. This is my trading setup. Okay, people usually when they see La Gatita, they ask me like, "Oh, you have TV and everything here?" No, no, no. That's not the TV. That's my workstation. Okay, that's my computer. I do everything here. I watch movies. I work. I watch documentaries. I work. So when I say I'm looking all night at the market, this is what I mean. Okay? If you have tools to learn and to help you get ahead in life, okay, use them. I see so many videos uh, of entertainment and news and stuff, podcasts. I mean, they're like an hour, sometimes even 2 hours each. I'm like, well, how many hours you have in a day? Yeah, this video might take half an hour, but it's it's to learn something, to acquire some uh, tools or understand something that might be of help to you. So, and that's that. You can choose your time wisely, or you can waste your time with entertainment. I do both at the same time, so I don't see it as a waste of time because um I've always done this with all my setups. I usually have a TV. Now I'm using a computer to watching series and stuff, and always watching the market. Okay, this is what's important. This is what pays for everything. And well, this is just so I don't get bored just watching the candles go up and down, go up and down, up and down. So yeah, a different beginning of the video. And today's trade, oh my god, you're gonna love today's video. Okay, let me know in the comments first what you think, how you've been doing, and let's go. Okay, enough of this. Let's go to the chart. Really awesome. Actually, there's a trade right now again. Give me a second. Buy stock market. Order submitted. But I'm not gonna talk about this one right now. Okay, you're gonna see it afterwards. I in this video I show you everything from small step that I don't even take uh, when I analyze the market because I already have them in my mind. Okay, I don't but I show you step by step about the legacy futures trading strategy. And even we took more than one trade with the same setup. So after you finish watching the first trade, and I said, well, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do, blah, 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 you know the drill. Don't leave because there's a second trade. It's just a few minutes, okay? Afterwards, and then this would be my third trade with the same setup. But when you watch the video, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So let me know in the comments what you think of today's trade, the explanation. Is it clear? You need to, you don't understand it. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. That's why we want to create a community, okay? So we can support each other and help each other out. Uh, and yeah, that's what we do here at Legacy Futures Trading Strategy. So enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments. And here we go. Alrighty, guys. It's 7:10 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And this is what we look at I identify as a perfect legacy futures trading strategy setup. Okay, we have here a higher high, we have here a lower low, bouncing off that support level. Okay, we have a consolidation, higher high, lower high, up. We have a higher low, up, higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Okay, consolidation, up. We have a resistance trend line. Whoop. We also have a supporting trend line, but I'm not gonna draw it because I'm more interested in the resistance trend line. Okay, which is where market broke to the upside. Up. We have a minor entry level here. What? We have a mini entry level here, but this is not valid anymore, so I'm just gonna move it. And then we have we take our fibs. I mean, all of these steps, the higher high, lower low, I don't plot them because I already know. I knew there was a consolidation showing up, but anyway. So we take our fib from higher high, from lower low to lower high, and we have here support zone. We have here a resistance zone. We have, let me get this out of the way. Remove. Okay, let's get this out of the way as well. Remove. We have here a major entry level. Major entry level right here at 23,020. So let me get my epic pen. Oh, I don't wanna take too much time. Okay. And let's get this, put this up here. Around here. Okay. So now this is what I like to call a high probability trade. I'm going to place my floating order up, buy stop market, and I am going to buy the next candle opening. Okay, market, look how market has been reacting around that major entry level. Tested once, tested twice. Market right now is at 23, 10, 25. So let's see if they push a little lower, which they might, but I'm gonna talk about that later on. Okay, I'm gonna buy the next candle, and there is a reason for that. Opening, come on, go lower. No, go lower. Lower, lower, lower. I would love to see market taking this low and then this low before bouncing back. They could bounce back off this supporting trend line. 2309, and let's see if we can get a better price or we get filled right there. Okay, 2308. Remember, every order filled. Okay, order filled. We are in now. We are in at what, 925. 925. So I'm gonna add 12 and a half points. So that would be 2310. 10 plus 13, that's gonna be 23, right? 23. 23. The next resistance level should be around that. So 23, it's pretty safe. Pretty safe bet. And we have here from N3, 970, 925, okay, to 2325. That's 14 points. 14 times 2, that's 28. 28 times 2, that's gonna be $560. Perfect. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. See that I have all the elements of my trade here. Okay, let me do that. Let me pause the video. Okay, and we'll be back when market hits that take profit. And you would say, well, not when they reach that level. When if they reach that level, you might want to say, no. I'm saying when it reaches that level, because this is a I don't have the exact numbers, but it's over a 95% probability trade. And I explain to you later after we finish the video. All right, it's 7:21. Oh, okay, here we go again. I said, you know what? Let me grab 15 points, and now they are going back, but that's okay. We'll keep on waiting. All right, here I come again. 1925. Yeah, that'd be great. So 20-point move. Right, what you said. What did I say? 13. I'm okay. You know, trading plan, trading goals. I know the probability market eventually should reach this resistance zone. I like getting in, getting out. The quicker I get my points, the less exposure I have in the market. Okay, because I mean, who knows? This could take 2 hours. I'm not saying it's gonna take 2 hours. I don't think it's gonna take 2 hours. Maybe another 10 minutes, but still, I like getting my points quickly and be done with it. And okay, let's finish this trade and and I'll talk about all that happened here. So don't go away. You see, I wasn't paying attention, and boom, they got to that entry level. So bear with me because they're gonna push hard, and here they come. Come on, come on, just a few more ticks. Target fell. Ka-ching! Target filled. Really awesome trade. Wow. This is just wonderful. Now let me do this. Don't go away because I'm going to explain to you a very important thing about this trade. Okay, as soon as I finish this, this just this. If I don't mess it up, which I hope I don't, it only takes me about a minute, less than a minute. So we have NASDAQ buy setup. Pop, we have N3. FOB, we have two contracts at 2309, and I'm gonna take the higher one. Oh, 23,009.25. Okay, up we have Leia target. Sorry, Leia is all over me. Though at 23,19.25, and that is 10 points. I love these nice round numbers. You know that, so I'm a very happy camper. But we have total trade. We have 20 points, which equals 400 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. Really, really awesome trade. And check. Okay, we have that. Let me save this. Save. Okay, we have 0716. That's today's trade. Okay, very important. You saw every step, every single step. I'm not leaving anything out here. Okay, we talked about higher high, lower low, support level, lower high, higher low. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry. I'm here to teach you, okay? So you can understand the market. Don't fall for uh, promises out there that they're gonna teach you. I know it's so easy, because it is not. If someone is trying to sell you a course or a lesson or a coaching with an indicator, run as far away as you can. That's my opinion, and my opinion only, okay? I'm not saying they don't work, but it's pretty, it doesn't work as well. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about my legacy futures trading strategy, which I have developed over the last 15 years. Okay? Just trial and error, learning the market, learning the market, learning the market. I had to erase like 90% of everything I read, every webinar I saw, every mentor that teach me wrong, and you really don't want to do that. Anyway, so we have a higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Okay, I talked about that. We have the resistance trend line, the resistance trend line broken, which actually I saw this trade setup late. I just saw it like half an hour ago. But I have been looking at the market all overnight. I wasn't glued into the computer, okay, like an owl, just looking at the market. No, I watched some. Actually, I'm staying here in Lagatita with Leia, so I'll show you that later. Uh, we are okay. So yeah, I was watching videos, some movies. I slept. I when I turn around, I just open one eye and look at the computer. Okay, okay, this is happening. Nothing is gonna happen yet. So the main, and that's what I would think. The main value of being part of a trading community is that you don't have. I love spending time looking at the market. I just love it. And when I see these setups, okay, you can learn how to do these setups. You don't have to pay me anything. I don't want any money whatsoever from you guys. Okay, I just uh my goal here is to help. And if by helping you learning this, you can get ahead in life, well, that's my reward right there. So, and you would say, yeah, yeah, right. Anyway, so in our legacy futures trading group, we share these setups. Okay, so I didn't share this one today because I literally just woke up, turned on the computer, the recording pop, and started recording. Okay, but it's like, okay, guys, we have a setup right here, a potential setup. Okay, we have to follow it with price action. Actually, this setup, it hasn't been done yet. Okay, market, as soon as market turns around, I'll probably buy again. But I don't know because I already made I have my trading goal, I have my trading plan. So I grabbed 20 points in less than 15 minutes, and that's it. I'm done. It's 7:30 in the morning and I am done with my day. Now I can keep working on Lagatita. I'm gonna cook some natural lasagna. That sounds kind of weird, but it's I hope it's really good. So I mean, I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want with it, and I'll probably look at it at the market throughout the day and see what's going on. But like I mentioned, 7:30 in the morning, 15 minute get out, 20 point, $400, and that's it. That's my working day, and it took me less than 15 minutes. But here, and this is something important, when someone tells you, "Oh, yeah, you can in 15 minutes you can make two, $300." Yeah, that's right. But you have to make the analysis, and that can take a lot of time. That's why I don't have a trading room. People have been asking me for years, and I have opened trading rooms. Okay, we're gonna look at the market from 9:30. I know that doesn't look like a 9, but that's a 9. 9:30 through noon. Well, you know what? From 9:30 to noon, maybe there is no setup. It's like, I would say, London session. Okay, let's look at the market from 3:30 until 5 in the morning. Well, guess what? There was a small setup, yeah, and I almost took it, but I fell. I was kind of sleepy, so I didn't want to. So if we go to 5 minutes, there was this setup, but maybe there wasn't. Okay, if we would say, okay, let's do an overnight trading session from 1:30 in the morning until 3 in the morning. We could do that. We could do this all day, 23 hours a day. Okay, absolutely no entry, no setup per my legacy futures trading strategy. So I rather look at the market because I can I can see if a setup is coming up 2 hours in advance, 4 hours in advance. Right now we have here one to 3:30. That was me 2 hours and a half watching at the market and then going to sleep and waiting for another 3 to 6, 3 to 7. That's another 4 hours. Me following the market for 7 hours before a proper high probability trade setup showed up. So, if you want to join our Legacy Futures Trading group, if you want to learn my Legacy Futures Trading strategy, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching! Alrighty, so we mentioned that it. Let me close this trade here. 475, $200 more. I was gonna do the target field. Okay, target field. I was gonna do the intro, and actually, I saw that the market was gonna go again at it, and I'm like, well, I'm doing stuff. I was taking a bath, and you know what? Let me grab a few more points here. So 200 more 200 more points. Like I mentioned, exact same setup. Okay. Hi. Why did I took the trade here? If I knew market could go lower, at least towards that supporting trend line, which it was a resistance trend line, now it's a supporting trend line, because price action. I know, I understand price action, okay? And even though it would have been more points that I usually look for, it's about probability. It's very unlikely. I mean, don't 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 do trading because I say so. Just learn the market. I can teach you how to you can understand the market. I'm not gonna teach you the market, but I can teach you how to understand it. Okay. Uh, per my legacy futures trading strategy, of course. So we grab 200 more points, 10 more points here, $200. So scratch that out. And now we have a new total trade of 30 points. And of course, I'm doing this just for fun here. 600 points total. Oh, 600 points total. So that's the update on this exact same setup. You don't have to look for new setups. Well, you could look for setups all day long, but and this is the sorry, the importance of the why I call them entry exit levels. Market is gonna do something around those levels. Minor entry level, pop, 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 pop. Major entry level, pop, 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 pop. Okay, so these are really important in my opinion. This is my opinion only. So now I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to add this trade here because I did mention it before that market should go could go lower towards that supporting uh, trend line and then bounce right back. So we grab an extra 10 points. You just saw it in less than a few minutes. So that's it. Now I'm going to get out of here. And remember, you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Catching.